blanket.
You need blanket.
I want to see you.
You want to see you?
Yeah.
Okay. There you are.
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. It's hair day. Obviously, I am in need of a lot of help in the hair department. Do you see these freaking roots? Someone posted on a comment on one of my vlogs asking if I would like show how to do my hair, and to that I say, first of all, I do have a video on my channel that's like totally dedicated to just my hair situation and how I do it and what products I use and all that, so I would recommend watching that video if you're interested. But otherwise, today I'm gonna just do the damn thing. We have a show coming up in about a week and a half, and ain't no way I'm getting on stage with these nasty roots. Also, my hair is very oily. I haven't washed it in a week, but I took a shower this morning, but I didn't wash it because I knew Erica was gonna wash it. And what is going on with this traffic? People are driving really stupid today, I say as I'm vlogging while I'm driving. Today is also Patch Day on World of Warcraft. Happy Patch Day, everybody. That basically means that it's the first like update since the last expansion came out. So basically the servers are gonna be down through the afternoon. That's fine, because you know what? I'm giving myself stuff to do today. I'm getting my hair done, and then I have some shit to edit. Also, I apologize for well, I guess it wouldn't have been yesterday. 2 days ago's video, I uploaded it at like 8 o'clock at night because that's when I finally got off work in time to finish editing it. And then I guess like I left the editing screen open and I didn't publish it until like 10:30 when I went and actually clicked the button, because it should have been uploaded at 8. It was up at 10:30, so it was up very, very late, and I'm so sorry, and I hope you didn't miss it, but if you did, you should go catch up on it. Okay, so my roots are done. I had to go to Sally Beauty Supply looking like this, but I figured, you know, they see people who probably look crazier than me. I had to go buy some more purple hair dye. I bought a darker purple hair dye this time, so I'm hoping that it's gonna be like super dark purple, but we'll see. Also, the lady was trying to like sell me all this shit, and she's just like, oh, don't you need a conditioner? Don't you need some gloves? And I'm looking at her like with my hair this fucking color, and I'm like, I've been doing this to my own hair for like 5 years, lady. I have everything I need at home except for this hair dye. So thanks, but no thanks. My hair is permanently pink until I shave it off. Okay, so it is hair coloring time. So I bought Arctic Fox Purple Rain this time. Last time I used Violet Dream. I don't know if I mixed it like with other stuff too much, like conditioner and stuff, because it really didn't last very long, so I'm going for the darker stuff this time. Actually, I'll probably mix the two. I don't know. Anyway, if you've watched my video about how I do my hair and stuff, it's all gonna be the same. If you haven't watched it, maybe you should, because it's a little more informative. But basically, I'm just gonna throw all this shit on my head. Got my pink stained gloves. Okay, so I threw a good amount of this bad boy in there, and that's already pretty dark. Ooh, what am I doing? This is gonna be so dark. That is dark. It is very dark. I'm at the point now, though, that I don't know if I've talked about it much on this channel, but I talk about it a lot in my daily life, but I'm planning on shaving my head. Maybe over the summer. I have to really know and decide that I'm ready to part with my hair, because I feel like I'm like getting so bored of it. I kind of just want to do a bunch of different stuff to it, and then once it's all just dead, just like shave it off. Got my arm all dyed purple too. It's never coming off. That's it. I already took a shower today. Put a bag on my head, of course. Cool, okay. So I'm gonna go edit yesterday's video. Usually, I like to let my pink sit in for like hours. I'm talking like 2-3 hours, sometimes 4. I'll just like hang out all day with it on my head. This one, I'm gonna try not to do as long because, I mean, just by the way it's staining everything it touches, I get the feeling that the longer I leave it on, it's just gonna get darker and darker and darker. So we'll see. I do want it dark though. The reason I want it dark is because my roots are so dark and they grow out so freaking fast. Like even when I was just completely bleaching my whole head without doing the shadow root thing, I was good for like a week and a half and then my roots would start popping through again. So my hair grows really fast, like go figure. I definitely want my roots to not be as obnoxious for as long as they possibly can because I just don't like to put bleach on my head. It's not good for your hair, it really isn't. And I like having healthy hair when I do have hair. And then someday I'll just shave it off, so. And I'm excited for that day too because hair is just so annoying. Anyway, all right, I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Mama's,
No, pink.
it's,
purple.
that's right, it's not pink anymore, it's gonna be purple. But Mommy has a bag on her head, huh?
Yeah.
Does Mommy look silly?
Yeah.
So we're gonna rinse it out and then I'm gonna have purple hair, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, see you later. Alright, we've got yesterday's Vlogmas uploading. My head is very dark purple, so I think it's about time we go wash it out. My hair is still obviously really wet, so this isn't like true to color, but holy crap. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't usually use heat on my hair. Like maybe like once a month I use heat on my hair. So I'm not gonna do anything with it. I'm just gonna let it air dry on its own, and then we'll really see the color here. But like under this light, you can really tell it's gonna be really like a super pretty purple color. Oh, I'm so ready. Got some eyeshadow? Oh yeah, what colors are on your eyes? Orange and yellow, that's right. So pretty. What are you doing? What? You're crazy. Ah! My hair is getting very purple. Ah! But I'm going to cut this video short now. I'm almost done editing. Oh, and I'm watching Drew Monson. I'm almost done editing everything I've filmed so far today, and once I throw this in there, I'm gonna call this video over. And just because, I'm gonna be honest, the patch is out. I told you it's patch day, and I wanna sit on my butt and play the new patch on World of Warcraft. I got some questing to do. Okay, I've gotten a lot of shit done today. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! That was so stupid.